Taking advantage of tax deductions in your retirement years can be a game changer, especially if you're looking to make the most out of your hard-earned savings. As you approach retirement, or even if you're already in the thick of it, understanding tax deductions can help you keep more of your money in your pocket. But here's the thing. Not all tax deductions are equal. Some can save you thousands, while others might barely make a dent. Now, if you're looking for a real strategy that can work, especially for wealthier retirees, one of the most overlooked and powerful options is the Gold IRA. But before we get into that, let's talk about some common retirement tax deductions you might be missing. Firstly, the standard deduction is one of the easiest ways to save. It's a flat amount you can subtract from your taxable income, and it's available to everyone. For retirees, this can be a big deal, especially if you're living on a fixed income and you're not itemizing your deductions. But you might be leaving money on the table if you're not aware of some additional options. Next, there's the deduction for medical expenses. If you're retired, you're probably paying for health insurance, and those premiums, along with other medical expenses that exceed 7.5% of your income, can be deductible. But be careful. This doesn't mean all your health costs qualify. Only the ones that go above that threshold can count toward a deduction. Another often overlooked option is the tax deduction for charitable contributions. Giving to your favorite causes can not only be a fulfilling part of retirement, but it can also lower your tax bill. Whether you're donating cash, goods, or even appreciated assets like stocks, there's a way to make your generosity work for you financially. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and taking full advantage of tax saving strategies, including those involving retirement accounts, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description to get your free guide on Gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are turning to Gold IRAs to protect their savings, especially when they've accumulated $100K or more in their IRA or 401K. If you're ready to take your wealth to the next level and protect it from market volatility, this is a must-read for you. But let's keep going. One tax-saving option for retirees is tax-deferred growth. This is where Gold IRAs come in. When you invest in a Gold IRA, your precious metal assets grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. This means you don't have to worry about paying taxes on your earnings year after year, which can really add up when you're trying to preserve your retirement funds. Plus, if you're near or in retirement, that tax-deferred benefit can make a huge difference in the longevity of your wealth. Another strategy involves converting your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. While Roth IRAs don't offer an upfront tax break, the money grows tax-free, and you won't have to pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. If you're over 59-1-2 and have had your Roth IRA for at least 5 years, it can be an excellent way to minimize taxes in your later years. But be aware, the conversion process comes with some upfront taxes, so it's something you'll want to carefully plan out. On top of all this, if you're thinking long-term about how to protect your wealth against inflation, a Gold IRA might be your best option. When you hold physical gold in a retirement account, you have an asset that tends to hold value over time, especially when traditional markets and currencies are under pressure. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold doesn't just follow market trends, which means it can be a hedge against uncertainty. Now, if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or maybe even $5 million or more in savings, the strategy of using a Gold IRA to save on taxes while protecting your wealth could be just the thing you need to take full advantage of your retirement. If you're ready to take action and get your free Gold IRA guide, make sure to click that first link in the description. Remember, it's not just about the tax deductions, it's about making sure your wealth is working for you and not just sitting there in a vulnerable account. Tax-deferred growth, charitable deductions, and strategic retirement account conversions all play a role. But don't overlook the long-term security a Gold IRA can offer. If you're ready to secure your wealth for the future and learn how Gold IRAs can be part of that plan, click the link in the description. It's the perfect opportunity for American retirees with over 100Ks in savings, or even more, to learn how to take full advantage of tax strategies and wealth protection.